I'm Dr. Michael Haley, and we're going to demonstrate one of our recipes. I like to throw things together in my own unique way. Right now, we always have some kind of mixed vegetables in the refrigerator. These are just, carrots, Brussels sprouts, green beans steamed. And I'm going to chop them up. And how you chop them, not important. I happen to be using what brand is this?
A brand you like.
Yeah.
Cuisinart? No.
No, I forget. Something Kitchen or something like that. I don't know. But they have good kitchen gadgets, and I'm just going to stuff some things in here, chop them up, mix it together. And what goes in this bowl, for us, really depends on what's in the refrigerator at the time. Let me get some carrots in there and some green beans. I think I'm getting too many Brussels sprouts. We need to mix up the flavors a little bit. If you see this video on YouTube, someone's going to say in the comments, oh, that's a such and such a kitchen or whatever brand, and then everyone will know. It's so funny, I can't think of the name. They have so many things made by this company too. Okay, I think that's enough of this. And usually what we'll do is kind of open up the fridge and look around, and I put some hemp hearts in there. I might use lemon juice or some balsamic vinegar just to add a little flavor. And oh, we got sprouts. Definitely don't want to forget the sprouts. Ooh, they're a little dry. And let's be vegetarians and add some eggs. You want eggs in it? I have to fast forward through this part here. Get a spoon. I like to put garlic in it, but we have some there, but for the sake of this video, imagine I chopped some up and threw it in there. Could probably do a couple eggs at a time, but it might not be kitchen, it might be something pantry in the name of that. Do you remember? You can't think what it is? What else do we have in the fridge that you can think of that might go in here?
Hummus.
Hummus for sure. That'll make it all stick together. One more. And this thing works so good you don't even have to take the shell off. Okay. Put some cheese in there.
We're not gonna though.
No? Okay. We don't have any cheese in that refrigerator. Alright, that's probably enough stuff to chop up. And then on the hummus, Pampered Chef. Alright, it took me a while. So we got two kinds of hummus here. This is like a pine nut organic hummus. It's open, so I think I'll use this one.
Yum.
And that's like the stick that makes everything stick together. The the bean in my bean burrito that we're making here. Essentially what this is like a bean burrito. Let me use a little bit more. Okay. So, let me get my favorite spoon. That's my good spoon. And I wish I was taking time to put some garlic in here. You like?
Yum.
It's organic hummus. Organic isn't the ideal ultimate standard. It'd be much better if we sprouted some organic garbanzo beans and then put them in the blender and made a raw hummus with our own, adding garlic and lemon and, in the Vitamix, we've even just thrown the sesame seed right in there to make our own, what's that called when you make the sesame seed? Tahini. Yeah. So this is our mix. And, it tends to be different every time. But it seems to always come out pretty tasty.
Look at how good that looks.
We could have put in some tomatoes. We could have put in some avocados or all kinds of stuff. And then we'll just like a wrap. And I'll break that extra part off. All right, so this one's ready. 1 burrito, 2 burrito. No bread, no gluten. Lots of nutrition. A little extra stem. We'll get rid of that. And yum. I like burritos. And this is my substitute burrito. No more Taco Bell. That was my all-time favorite fast food joint. But this is delicious.